So, Samsung is back in the kitchen, and this time, it looks like they're cooking up something truly wild. If the latest leaks are to be believed, the Exynos 2600 might just rewrite the rulebook for smartphone performance. According to insider Jukan Losrave, who's known for his deep connections in the semiconductor world, Samsung's upcoming flagship chip will pack massive GPU and NPU performance upgrades, enough to leave both Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 and Apple's A19 Pro trailing behind. Now, that's a bold claim, but if it's true, this could mark a huge comeback for Exynos. Earlier, rumors hinted that Samsung would limit the Exynos 2600 to the base Galaxy S26, with the higher-end models sticking to Snapdragon. But fresh reports from Ice Universe suggest a twist. Samsung might actually use the Exynos 2600 across the entire Galaxy S26 lineup. That's right, S26, S26 Plus, and even the S26 Ultra might all run on Samsung's own chip, at least in some regions. Let's break down what's fueling this hype. Based on reports from Korean media, the Exynos 2600's NPU is expected to be 6 times faster than the one inside Apple's A19 Pro. And that's not all. It's also said to outperform Snapdragon's latest NPU by roughly 30%. That's a massive jump, especially in an era where AI-driven features are becoming the heart of smartphone innovation. But even if AI isn't your thing, Samsung's got you covered. The CPU is said to deliver a 14% improvement in multi-core performance, and the GPU this could be up to 75% faster than Apple's A19 Pro and around 29% faster than the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Those are serious performance numbers that, if accurate, could put Exynos right back on top after years of lagging behind Qualcomm. Interestingly, Samsung might be planning a 50-50 chipset split for the Galaxy S26 lineup. That means Exynos 2600-powered models could dominate regions like Korea and Europe, while markets like the US, China, and Japan would stick with Qualcomm's Snapdragon variant. But here's the kicker. Samsung's own foundries are reportedly producing the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chips too, likely using the 2nm GAA node, the same cutting-edge tech behind the Exynos 2600. So, one way or another, every Galaxy S26 might end up running Samsung-made silicon. On the naming front, things are also shaking up. The Galaxy S26 Pro might simply be called the Galaxy S26. The Edge variant seems to be axed, and the S26 Plus continues to live on. And of course, the Galaxy S26 Ultra remains the undisputed king of the lineup. Bottom line, if these leaks pan out, the Exynos 2600 could be Samsung's ultimate redemption arc, a chip powerful enough to finally silence the Snapdragon versus Exynos debate once and for all. So what do you guys think about the upcoming Galaxy S26 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.